This is lot 2010. This is a Komatsu PC38UU mini excavator with 16-inch rubber tracks, and I think it's got a blade, and it's got a couple of buckets that go with it. This is, I think it's a 12. I think there's a 40-inch smooth bucket too. Let's see if I can show you. It works. And John said he said it steers nice, and he said it has I think he called it a braking boom. It brakes in two places, he said, so you could dig right along a wall if you wanted to. But I don't know if he knows how to do that, but we're gonna see if we can't figure it out at some point.
Hey, there's 3 buckets with this thing.
12-inch.
24 and a 36.
Oh, I thought it was 40. 36.
36.
Okay, 12-inch, 24, and a 36-inch smooth bucket. So there's 2 digging buckets and a smooth bucket. I saw the write-up sheet the other day, but I just couldn't remember. But everything works on this machine. It's a nice machine.